We have now arrived at the 6th step of this path, where on one hand we deal with the Venus forces, the forces of love, also forces of love connected with our bodily existence, and the forces of Jupiter, the forces of Thursday, of wisdom, of our body wisdom. And when you look at how the 6th step of the Eightfold Path is interpreted by many people who are busy with working with this path, you find, for example, that this step is called right striving or right attitude. And it denotes the will to control and curb affects such as desire, hatred, anger, rejection, etc. Awakened by unpleasant perceptions and bad experiences. Similar to the right thinking exercise which we had on step 2, this is about exchanging unwholesome thoughts with healing thoughts. But now it has more to do with what's coming out of our inner energy. Yeah? When unwholesome images of greed, hatred, and delusion arise. Then we use our wholesome thoughts to find positive, worthy pictures, to turn the dark side into warm or helpful qualities. That's what this step is about. And Rudolf Steiner has now given, in his own words, some aspects which lead into different layers connected to this step. And now I speak these words one time, and there are some variations you might know already, and some which might be a little bit surprising. Human striving. One takes care not to do anything that is outside of one's strength, but also not to refrain from doing anything that is within it. Look beyond the everyday, the momentary, and set goals, ideals, which are related to a person's highest duties. For example, wanting to develop in the sense of the given exercises, in order to subsequently help and advise one's fellow human beings all the more, even if not exactly in the very near future. One may also summarize what has been said in "Let all other exercises become habit." Yes. Now I want to invite you to join and take the space which you feel comfortable in and arrive at yourself.